Please change anytime now will be good. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name's Jay and welcome to the channel. So today we are going for a little ride because spring is here. Here in the UK, spring is here, and for us UK people, we know that the weather's turning, especially for us bike riders. We know that the weather's turning and we just absolutely love it. And there's nothing finer. Now, I know that I ride through crappy weather as well. Tend not to too much if I can help it. I don't purposely go out in bad weather, but if I'm going somewhere, like yesterday, went down to Staffordshire Moors, down to Chesterfield. I put a video out for that, probably be a week or so. It's been edited, but it just needs to drop into production. So we went down for a nice ride. It was a little bit cold, especially when you stop riding, and it was also a little bit damp in places, bit of crap on the road. But even yesterday it put out rain and I still went because I wanted to, you know, it was quite a significant thing that I was doing. So we met up with Richie Vida. This video may actually go out before that one, but I don't know yet, we'll see. So if you've not seen that and it is up on the channel, then please go head over and have a look at that. And I'm seeing a lot more bikes out now as well. I think there were about 21, 22 yesterday. I thought there were about 25, but I think there were 21, 22. But it was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Got a couple of things lined up as well. I think I've mentioned on other vlogs where I'll be going to Lake Vyrnwy. No, I won't. I'm going to Elan. That's paid for. I'm going to Wild Bad Weekender. That's paid for. So I'm looking forward to those. Also looking into an island trip as well. So yeah, but definitely vlogging that. Last couple of videos as well, I've used my DJI action, and it's just me being a monk. The settings have just not been right at all. It's been, the sky's been blowing out, even though I've set the ISO really low. I don't know what's going off. So it's just a bit of a pain because I missed loads of footage yesterday. Some of the, you know, the best bits, the highlights, and all I could really show was the darker bits. So it didn't show it blowing out too much. Hopefully, you know, I pulled some kind of, I think it was a 9-minute, 10-minute video out of that one, which is very frustrating. You know, I want to be able to pick and choose. So I've mentioned that I'm going to be getting an enduro bike at some point, because there's byways and things like this around here. It'd be good to do a bit more venturing off-road, something I'm very keen on doing and keen on learning. And normally when I want to learn something, I will give it 100%, but I just need to get past that girliness of I need to grow a pair of balls basically. But I've never been taught, I've never been off-road. Well, I have been off-road on the Bullet and on this, but they're not really off-road, are they? So I thought something that I don't mind throwing around and dropping and stuff like that, you know, see how we go. Yeah, I've just whacked the 360 on here again now. Again, you won't be able to see any cameras because obviously it's filming front and back, so I just have to reposition that. Got E1 hanging about, was it? And I really need to sort my my front brakes out as well. I've got my discs, I've got my pads, I'm just waiting for my centre stand so it allows me to lift the front wheel up and sort them out, get the wheel off. Got up here. I cleaned the bike the day before yesterday, and then yesterday I've just got it absolutely shitted up. Not washed it again now. Got it gleaming as well, but do you know what? I'm not bothered because A, I enjoy cleaning the bike, and B, it was just an awesome, fantastic ride yesterday. Proper loved it. Everybody was such great people. Met up with a couple of people, subscribers and that. Alan, shout out mate. Mark from Leeds YouTube channel, first time I'd met him. Sound bloke, and all the others that I met as well. Richie Vida were there. Had a bit of a laugh with Vida. So yeah, really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. Do you know there's just traffic lights everywhere, all over the place. Come on, please change anytime now. Be good, like now. Come on. Oh, I bet people think I'm mad talking to myself. You know what? Let's go up here. I bet this is a dead end. I know what's down there, but I don't know what's up here. I don't know why I've come on these roads, because they're just boring, aren't they? I'm intrigued. It's just going to be a dead end, isn't it? No, I am lost. Very much so. Let's go right. He's shaking his wrist at me. I thought we were calling me a Just want me to throttle it. It's not the best exhaust on this though to throttle it. Right, where are we going here? I ain't got a bleeding clue. No, let's go left. Again, the camera don't do it much justice, but this has got to be a 1 in 20 road, this. It's very steep. Jaunt up, nice little ride round. Great for the soul. Right, let's go right. Always find it funny how people just give you dirty looks when you get the drone up. They drive past you as if like you're doing something naughty, and you really aren't, are you? Right, so get back and get some dinner, I think. Right guys, hope you've enjoyed this little one. Just a little moochy round. And spring is here. And thanks for your support. Please leave a like, comment and share. All helps the algorithm, helps my channel. If you like this content, please subscribe. And I shall see you on the next one. And remember, it doesn't matter who you are, what you ride, or where you live. Every day is an adventure. Crazy out.